In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export sales tax reports to Excel in Xero. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet you can use for accounting, reporting, or deeper data analysis, and you'll know exactly what to look for along the way. First, sign into your Xero account and make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. You'll need the right permissions to view reports. For security, avoid sharing login details and only work on trusted devices. Once you're in, head to the reporting menu. This is your hub for financial and compliance reports. From here, locate the sales tax report. Depending on your region, it may reflect your local tax terminology, but it will be labeled as the sales tax report in Xero. Select it to open the report. Before exporting, take a moment to review the sales tax summary. Confirm the date range or tax period matches what you need for filing or reconciliation. Check whether the basis of reporting, such as cash or accrual, is appropriate for your workflow. Scan the totals for tax on sales, tax on purchases, and the net amount payable or refundable. This quick validation helps ensure your export reflects accurate, final numbers. When everything looks right, click the Export option within the report. You'll see several formats available. Choose Excel to generate a XLSX file that opens in Microsoft Excel and is easy to sort, filter, or pivot. If you use a pop-up blocker, make sure it isn't preventing the download. Give the export a moment to generate. Larger date ranges or organizations with heavy transaction volumes may take longer, so be patient while Xero prepares the file. You should see a download start automatically once it's ready. Next, open the exported Excel file from your downloads location. If your spreadsheet software asks to enable editing, approve it so you can work with the data. You'll see the sales tax report laid out in a familiar structure, mirroring what you saw in Xero. Finally, review the sales tax report spreadsheet. Verify the heading, date range, and totals. Look through columns for tax rates, taxable amounts, and tax on sales and purchases to confirm everything aligns with your records. Consider adding filters or simple formatting to highlight key values, and save a copy with a clear file name and date so you can reference it later. That's it. You've successfully exported your Xero sales tax report to Excel, ready for accounting review, formal reporting, or detailed analysis.